Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So I want to bring you a quick update and a follow-up on Tron. So if you go back to the channel library and if you see a video that I made on May the 15th regarding Tron that is coming near the apex and its potential a breakout, and that's exactly what we have seen in last couple of days. So I want to bring you a quick update on this breakout for Tron and give you some of the next level support and resistance in this coin and the price action going forward. Okay, so before I get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and the bell icon so you can get this content right away. I have said it plenty of time on this channel that we are in a very dynamic market and it's a constantly moving and changing market, so it's very important that we stay on top of this. All right, so we have to really kind of stay on top and really monitor the situation and the price action in order to stay profitable. Okay, so as I mentioned, Tron it has broken out of this apex and for last 2 days it's trying to get out of this breakout, and volume is coming, but it hasn't been a major volume yet. If you see the volume right now, it's trying to pick up. So if we get a positive momentum in the market, I expect Tron to have a little bit more follow through in coming days. All right, so Tron, it's trading at 8 cents right now. And it's coming to that previous support point, which was around 8 cents. So for intermediate, that will act as some resistance. But if the overall market turns positive, which I think it have a good chance to turn positive in coming days, we can easily see 9 cents in Tron for during this week. All right. So right now, let me quickly come to BTC. So BTC, it got out of this this apex. It tried to have a run yesterday, did not quite work. Right now is finding a support from the previous moving average and the resistance line, and which is acting as a support now. So it's a kind of must hold level for BTC right now. So we'll find out by tomorrow morning session if it supports hold or if we are maybe having a little more retracement to 8,100 level. But the coin that I wanted to obviously cover is Tron, because it's looking much stronger compared to a lot of altcoins, and it has already broken out of the apex and right now is trading a little bit better than a lot of the coins in the market. All right, so going up 9 cents, that will be the first target for Tron. And as far as, let's say, if there's a retracement in the market, I think it's a good buying opportunity if it's not a major retracement. And keep an eye on this major red trend line, which is providing support. So as long we are staying over this red trend line, I'm pretty bullish in Tron. Okay. Not reading too much into the anything else. I'm purely right now just trading this on the technicals. All right. As far as the price action remains over this, I will remain bullish. If it comes down below it, then we have to reevaluate how it's looking. But right now, I will remain bullish as long as staying over this. And as far as the target for intermediate, 9 cents is the intermediate target. For the support, around 7 cents is a good support level for Tron. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour real quick. Okay, so 4-hour, the volume has picked up. If you see this in the 4-hour chart, some volume came up. We are trying to consolidate right now. Again, it really will dictate if the overall market, how is the overall market staying in the night session today. Right now it's about 9 p.m. Eastern. here in US. So in the night and early morning session, we need to monitor how the market will react and how it's holding up. If it remains positive, we might have a push early in the morning when the Asian markets are closing and the US market is opening up. We might have a little push, and we can go toward the next level in a lot of these coins. All right. So the session tonight will be critical, and see how it reacts, how it's holding up. So that will kind of dictate the tone for the rest of this week. All right. As far as like starting a new position, I just want to reiterate, it's not right now. We're still in a very indecisive market. I have said that before, and I haven't changed my mind on that yet. Market remain indecisive right now. But any a major selling opportunity, let's say if we have a 10-15% sell off tomorrow, in my opinion, that's a good buying opportunity. Okay. I'm going to repeat myself. Let's say if we have a 10 or 15% drop tomorrow or into this week, in my opinion, that's a good buying opportunity. You will see a lot of people who got left out will get into at that point. So in my opinion, that will be a good buying opportunity. If the market comes to a next level, let's say if it comes to 9 cents, and if the volume hasn't picked up, I would be putting my stop losses and taking some profit, because I know that resistance will act as a major resistance, and we might not see a follow through. So we need to keep an eye on that, and I will do a follow up on those things just to make sure that people are aware of those kind of signals. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know any other coins you want me to take a look at it. I will do some other coins. Cardano, I want to look at Cardano as well. I like right now it's creating this lower base. It looks pretty good to me right now, but again, it will really dictate, the overall market really dictate how it will trade in next few days. All right. So if you want to go in, make sure you're going with some stop losses, and in fact some tight stop losses, maybe 3 to 4%, if you're getting into a position in coins like Cardano right now. So I wouldn't go in any coin without a stop loss, and at this junction especially. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I usually do respond to all the comments we have in the comment section, as long they are they make sense, that they're not something really stupid and crazy. I'd rather dedicate my time towards some people who really do need some good help, and people who are really genuine and willing to learn. Okay. So thank you again, and we'll talk to you soon.